Okay guys, down at the Riudor, I think it's called, yeah. See, a lot of you have been worried about this place, but it's going to be out for next week. They're still working in there, still doing cleaning around the pool area. They've completely redone the pool though. Apparently there's steps in there and everything now, so we're going to walk around and see if we can see any what's going on. I think it might be just a bit of tidying up outside now that's needed. Let's I've still got to skip some stuff down here. Enough people here though, they'll soon get that away. Hey, alright guys. See, there's water in the pool, so that was a good sign. Yeah, it means they're nearly finished. So they've got a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah. The slabs, bricks left over. Looks like it's more cleaning up now though. Clean up, sweep down. I think they might be cleaning up round the pool then rather than doing any work. Yeah. Happy days. Gonna be yeah, looks like it's gonna be thereabouts. Saturday now, so the signing's got to go up. I don't know. It's going to be touch dry, I think. They do open on Monday. Still there's a bit of painting work being done and stuff. And then have a look round the front. I think they've done a fairly good job with this one. It's not been closed for that long. Yeah, right bang on schedule. We'll get used to the Kindle eventually. There we go. I'm sure by the end of the day that'll look lovely. There's more cleaning up they're doing now than work, I think. Just washing everything down. Nice ramps in there for sideboard. It's definitely not going to be too long before it's open. Whether they're going to get open for Monday, I do not know. Okay guys, that's the Riudor, and we're going to move on a bit. The ambassador over the road there. Definitely took longer doing that one. Got refurbished. Just put a bit extra on the video now to make it up to where it needs to be. And ambassador too. They really did a good job with this one. See the entrance there. Reception. The phone's not cooperating, so we're not going to. The heat's already starting to get to the phone. So a little walk up here. Seems like everything's getting back open now. Obviously all the refurb been done. As with this place. Yeah, my phone's not wanting to zoom up, so. Yeah, a few in there today at the Western Saloon. Supposed to be a great bar inside as well, that one. Okay guys, if you want to see more from Benidorm, watch ones come up in the card. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. You had you trained on that by now. There's all the new people watching their videos though, so all good. Yeah, if you want to see more from Benidorm, watch a one coming up in the card now. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye. Short. It's good, short.
Oh no, craft, yeah,
Come on. Alright. I mean, I don't know what's wrong with this phone. I really don't.